It's Ashley. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today, I got my Ipsy bag. So, we are going to go through and see what we got. I'm sorry the angle's kind of messed up. I'm sitting in line waiting to get my kids, and I haven't quite figured out this video thing yet. So, we're just going to roll with it, because we know I'm a hot mess, and I am ramble. So, yes, makeup rambles. I ramble. Be prepared. So, the first thing we're going to look at is our case. It's a nice little silver bag. Nice for Christmas. Little Ipsy tassels. And it says, Shine On, Sparkle, Shimmer, and Shine. This month, let's click glasses to a year full of diving in, bearing all, and finding your light. It's time to celebrate how far you've come. So, the first thing we have is the Space Case Cosmetics blush. It's not me, it's my sign. So let's see what this looks like. There's the front. Let's do a little swatch. You guys see that? I'll make it a little bit deeper. Right there. I don't know if the light's washing it out. It's a nice pinky, yeah, pretty pinky. It says, whether you're looking for just a came in from the cold flush or major blush moment, this pigment-packed orchard pink blush delivers on both color and staying power. The pillowy soft texture blends so smoothly, plus all of its brand's products are vegan and cruelty-free. So, I really like the way that feels. And it blends really, really nice. It's a beautiful pinky color. And the next thing, let's see. We've got something from Jolie, J-O-L-I-I, Luxe Cream Mattes. So let's see what this is. I don't know what it is. It doesn't have a color on it. Alright. What color is this? Lavada. This is what it looks like. Okay, and whoa, that's definitely not a color for me. It's a lavender, purpley pink. But yeah, I can't pull that out or pull that off, but I'm sure so many of you can. And it says Jolie Cosmetics Luxe Cream Matte in Lavada. This may be just the perfect liquid lip color for creating a party-ready beauty look in a pinch. This ultra creamy liquid keeps your lips looking healthy thanks to the moisturizing shea butter and jojoba oil. Plus, the velvety violet color is surprisingly versatile, super smooth, and long-lasting. I'll try it. We'll see. If it doesn't look that great, I'll give it to my sister or my niece. My niece loves everything, so that shouldn't be a problem. Next up, we have the Sela by Celine Tardessa Black Gold Supreme Coffee Scrub. You see that? And you get 20 milliliters. Let's see what it smells like. I hate having to take the top off everything to smell it. It's not really got a smell. Okay. It says, give your bottom morning boost with this coffee-infused scrub from Sela. A line of plant-powered products make to keep your skin healthy and glowing. The combo of ground coffee beans and raw sugar gently exfoliates to reveal smoother, softer skin. This fresh coffee scent is as energizing as your AM latte. I didn't really smell coffee. Let's try that again. Let me get a little bit out of here. Yeah, I'm not really smelling coffee. But I guess we'll see when I try it out. And I will come back and let you know about all the products, how they worked, what I think about them. The next product is the Hanhoo, Hanhoo. I am not an enunciator. I am not good in English. So, yeah, just let you know. Watermelon Illuminator Daytime Facial Oil. That sounds yummy. And I do smell the watermelon. I love watermelon. So that's going to be awesome. When we see the word watermelon, we instantly perk up. It's the star ingredient in this majorly hydrating facial oil from confidence boosting skincare brand Hahu. That just sounds so funny. Hanhu, yeah, yeah. And it is a go-to for healthy, bright, glowing skin. New to face oils? Trust us. This one absorbs quick and won't feel greasy. So I guess we'll see. See how we like it. And the last item is a Tarte High Performance Naturals Park Avenue Princess Amazonian Clay Waterproof Bronzer. Let's see what color we got. Is that the color? Park Avenue Princess? Can't get it out the box. Alright, the color is Park Avenue Princess. This is really cute. Oh, we gotta get the plastic off. Oh, goodness. Okay, there we go. Alright, let's see if we can do a quick little swatch that I can get it bright enough that y'all can see. Right in there. Yeah, I think y'all can see that. It's a beautiful color. I would probably use it more as a contour than a bronzer. Get a midsummer glow in the middle of winter with this golden bronzing powder from Always On Trend brand Tarte. Made with clarifying, brightening, and soothing Amazonian clay. It goes on silky smooth and blends easily without streaks. The long wear formula lasts all day and night. No need for touch-ups. So, I like my bag. I think I got some pretty cool stuff. I love Ipsy and BoxyCharm. If you don't know, I know I've been absent. I haven't done a lot of videos, but I am here to stay. And we are going to be doing Ipsy unboxings and BoxyCharm unboxings and FabFitFun unboxings. And we are also going to be doing my Mental Health and Makeup Monday that I was talking about a couple months ago. I am going to start that. So I hope you'll stick around. I hope you enjoyed the video. And I can't wait to start talking with y'all in the comments. So have a great day. Be kind.